Hello and welcome to Mastering Microsoft Excel video series. This video series is built for the people who want to master the Excel application to the fullest extent. This video series, the way I have planned for you people, is we are going into every single area of Excel and we will take it from the basic level to the advanced level, and every concept will be practically discussed and performed so that you will understand exactly where this tool is used in the real time. We will take corporate level examples so that you can connect with your day-to-day work where that feature would be required, where the formula would be required. In case if you have any queries on the areas what we have discussed, you can use the comment section. You can put your queries over there. I will definitely respond to it. The way these videos are planned, every video will be numbered for you to have a convenience of following a sequence. So it will be like video number 1, 2, 3, 4, so that you will have a track. Okay, I have completed up to video number 12. I need to watch video number 13. So that's why the video titles will have the video numbers on it, and every video will have two links in it. One is a link to download the file which I'm using to explain the concept. So you can download that file, you can work along with me during the video, or you can watch the entire video and you can practice that learnings in that file. Second link will be a quiz. So you can take up the quiz to confirm the learnings what you got from the video. So I am trying to give you an environment like as if you're taking an online course. I'm putting a lot of effort to make sure that you guys get the best out of this video, and I'm bringing along with me almost 20 plus years of training experience. I've been training Microsoft Excel for corporate professionals for the last 20 plus years. I've trained different domains, different levels of the organizations. So there are some quite interesting questions and challenges which I have solved during my experience. I will also share those things during our learning journey. Please join along with me in this video series if you're really serious about mastering this application. Subscribe to my channel and do hit the bell icon so that as and when the new videos are posted, you will get notified and you can continue with the journey. In the next video onwards, we will directly get into the application, start learning the application right away. Until then, take care of yourself. Signing off. Hariharan.